Dear students, as you know how to solve the pair of linear equation. As you know, to solve the pair of linear equations by two method. First method is graphical method, second method is algebraic method. So exercise 3.2, which is based on graphical method. In graphical method, you have to express the pair of linear equations graphically. As we know, the linear equations represent on the graph, it is a straight line. So for pair of linear equation, when you represent on the graph paper, there will be two straight line. If two straight line represent on the graph paper, there will be three cases. First case is intersecting lines, second is coincident line, and third is parallel lines. So when intersecting lines will be happen, if the ratio of the coefficient of x and y are not equal. Okay, if a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2, in this case intersecting lines will be formed when you represent this pair of linear equation on the graph. But in second case, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. In this case, coincident lines. When you draw two lines from this pair of linear equation on the graph, you will see one line is coincide the other line, means all points of one line lie on the second line. Okay, in third case, you see a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 does not equal to c1 upon c2. In this case, when you draw the pair of linear equation on the graph paper, the parallel lines are formed. So accordingly, we have to assess this given pair of linear equation in first part, which type of line will be formed when we represent on the graph paper. See, from this equation, find a1 upon a2. From this pair of linear equation, you will be having 5 upon 7. Similarly, b1 upon b2, so b1 is minus 4 and b2 is 6, so it will be minus 4 upon 6. After reducing, it will be minus 2 upon 3. And c1 upon c2, from both the equations, 8 upon 9. In this case, you see the ratio of a1 upon a2 doesn't equal b1 upon the ratio of b1 upon b2. Means the value of a1 upon a2 is 5 upon 7 and the value of b1 upon b2 is minus 2 upon 3. So from these two ratios, they are not equal. So this case lying the first. Okay, in this case, intersecting lines are formed when we represent the pair of linear equation on the graph paper. Okay, is it clear?